Watch me. Dragon off! Dragon off!
Hey, what's up everybody? I am Draego and welcome to a new video. So in this video I am going to be showing you how you can install stock ROM on your MI Android phone, or if your phone is bricked, then how to unbrick it by installing stock ROM on your MI Android phone. So for this I am going to be using my Redmi Note 5, or you can say Redmi 5 Plus. So make sure to give a like to this video and join Team Draego by subscribing to my channel and hit that bell icon near the subscribe button for all the quick notifications. So for this you need three things. First is your Android phone, second is the internet connection, and number third is a USB cable. The reason why I am installing stock ROM on my Android phone is because I am not finding good custom ROMs for Redmi Note 5 Plus, and the good custom ROMs that I found, they are not getting regular updates. That's why I am not installing. And the previous custom ROMs that I had installed on my Android phone, they are not giving good internet speed, but after using the stock ROM, the internet speed has improved a lot. Now then, let's begin. So first of all, open your browser and open the Google and type MI community. After that, open it and go to ROM download, and there you will find a list of Android phones. Select your Android phone and download the full stock ROM of your Android phone, and over there you will gonna see a button of flash guide. Click that and flash guide will gonna open. After that, click on fastboot update. With local update you can install stock ROM with your custom recovery, but for installing stock ROM I would recommend the fastboot method because it is more secure and it has higher chances that you will gonna install the stock ROM successfully. On the fastboot update page you will gonna see MIUI ROM flashing tool, then download it. And if you haven't found the stock ROM of your Android phone, then on fastboot update page scroll down and you will gonna see a lot of ROMs. There will be definitely a stock ROM of your Android phone, so download that, and after that extract the custom ROM and install the MI flash tool. After installing the MI flash tool and the extraction of stock ROM file, take the stock ROM file folder and paste it into the C drive folder, or in the same drive where you have installed the MI flash tool. And after that, connect your Android phone with USB cable to your PC and turn on the fastboot mode. After that, run the MI flash tool. You can rename the stock ROM folder to ROM. It would be easy to find. Select the stock ROM folder and click refresh. If you have connected your phone correctly, then it will gonna detect it. and after that look down in mi flash tool. You will gonna see three options. First is clean all, second is save user data, and number third is clean all and lock. Don't click on clean all and lock, otherwise it will gonna lock your bootloader. And if you have logged and if you have done it already, then don't worry, download the mi unlock tool and it will gonna unlock your bootloader again. Had happened to me once, but I have corrected it, so I am telling you that don't make this mistake. Select the clean all option and after that click flash. It will gonna do a clean install of stock ROM on your Android phone, and you will be gonna able to use your root access also. And you can also use save user data. It will gonna save your data, but I would suggest that you do clean all because it will gonna clean all the data and do a clean install of the stock ROM on your Android phone. After hitting the flash button, just sit back and relax. Let the mi flash tool do its work. After the flashing has done, then you will gonna see that your mi Android phone will gonna start automatically, and you will gonna see that the stock ROM has been flashed successfully and you have unbricked your phone if it was bricked. Guys, make sure to give me the feedback of this video and let me know if you want to see more videos like this related to custom ROMs or ROMs. And also tell me what kind of videos do you guys wanna see on this channel. Your feedback really means a lot to me. I can improve my content with it. So guys, please make sure that you comment and tell me how is the video, and share this video as much as you can, and this video might help somebody else, so share it on any social media platform. Also, if you wanna see my gaming videos, then check out my other gaming channel, which is Draego. I post a lot of amazing gaming videos on that channel, so make sure that you guys give a like, share this video, comment and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.